Okay, hi everybody, it's Chris, and I don't know if you saw the last video, but I demonstrated how to do a Git push from the command line in terminal, and now I'm going to do its counterpart, okay? Remember I said there's a push, which is when you push things to GitHub, and a pull is when you take things down from GitHub. So let's have a look at GitHub here. That's my terminal. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so here's the code I pushed up. And there's a little pen, but you can actually edit code in GitHub. So let's just make a little change. And all I'm going to do is put a little comment, /comment. This is a comment to change the code. Right. It's not going to actually change the code, but let's say somebody was working on this code with me and they had made some changes. You know, this is just to show how it works, not exactly a very useful thing to do so far as changing the code, but it's to demonstrate a point. So we've done that. And if we go through, here we are. We want to commit it directly to the main branch, commit changes. Okay, see there's the pen where you could edit it if I want to make another change. And another comment. That's my mate's dog, sorry about that. And so then we could do that and commit the changes. There we go. Okay. So now we've got the code and it's set to go. So let's say we've got this up on GitHub. Somebody has made a change and we want to update it on our local machine because the code that we've now got on our machine isn't the same as this. We pushed this code up, but it's been changed. We want the updated version. So to do that, we'd come out of GitHub. We'd go back to our friend, the terminal, okay? Remember that we don't need to be afraid of the command line. It's not that scary. We would do something like this, ls, we list what's here, change directory, and I want to go to creative coding, ls, cd-off for open frameworks, ls, I want app-cd, apps, I wonder if it'll work with a capital. Nope, cd. apps, ls, that worked, interesting. CD, I've got my caps lock on, we don't really want that. CD, now it's not apps, ls, cd, convert, converted, p. Sometimes the tab works and sometimes it doesn't, and I really don't know why. Okay, there we go. So there we are, back into our directory that we have. Now remember, this isn't going to have the changes in it. So what we want to do is really, really obvious, but if you don't know, you don't know. So never worry about not knowing something. Gitpull. Okay, so we pushed it in the last video. Today we're going to pull it. There we go. And it's saying here, look, we've made some changes. There's been 2 insertions. There's been a deletion. And the code has been changed. And it's outlining those changes there. Okay, so now if we come back over and we go here. I could do this from the command line, but I generally don't. And we pull it up. We see the changes in the code. Okay? Now let's say we want to take this out because it's pointless. We just did it as an example. We could take that out. And then we could go back and push the other version. I'm not going to go through the push again because I did that previously, but you get the idea. Hope this helps. Okay, bye-bye.